Tricky words set 6. W-A-S was. W-A-S was. W-A-S was. After school, I was very hungry, so I had a sandwich. W-H-A-T what? W-H-A-T what? W-H-A-T what? What is your favorite food? D-O do. D-O do. D-O do. I do my homework every day. G-E-T get. G-E-T get. G-E-T get. I need to get a new book from the library. I-F if. I-F if. I-F if. If the weather is nice, you can play outside. Y-O-U-U. 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 Thank you for helping. You are very kind, said the lady. T-H-E-R-E there. T-H-E-R-E there. T-H-E-R-E there. There are many stars in the sky. M-E me. M-E me. M-E me. My friend Anne always plays with me. J-U-S-T just. J-U-S-T just. J-U-S-T just. I just took the cookies out of the oven. H-E-L-P help. H-E-L-P help. H-E-L-P help. Every Saturday, I help Mom with the house chores. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.